Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to record Hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the Hyperlapse, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by using the big shutter button at the center. We can also move to right corner button to change the speed of our hyperlapse. Now we are on auto, so the device should give us the best possible settings to our video, but we can pick also between spectrum from 4 to 64, and this is wise choice. The really cool thing from the device is that it also shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have when we want to record the hyperlapse. So as you can see, 64 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Let me show you also 16, good for recording clouds moving across the sky, and maybe 4, good for recording people being active. So you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to auto because I don't really have well conditions to record this type of video, but I want to show you the example of it. So let's start recording now. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the hyperlapse video looks like at this device. We can play it again here. So it's really fast. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.